Welcome to the Atomic Chef Recipe Series. My name is Mike Kippers, and today we're going to show you how to go from zero to hero in 6 shakes using the Atomic Chef spice blends. In this episode, we're making roast chicken, fresh cut asparagus, and bee red potatoes. This dish features the Atomic Chef spice blend Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. The ingredients for this dish include chicken stock, your Winner Winner Chicken Dinner, fresh Parmesan cheese, fresh cut garlic, bee red potatoes, and fresh cut chicken. Step 1. Add chicken stock on top of the chicken and then sprinkle liberally with our Atomic Chef's blend Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. Step 2. Lightly pan sear your fresh chicken in a small amount of oil, sprinkling liberally the back sides with more Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. Step 3. After approximately 15 minutes, turn chicken over and add your fresh chopped garlic. Step 4. After cooking your bee red potatoes, toss gently with olive oil and OMG. Step 5. Plate your chicken, your bee red potatoes, adding a little more OMG to the top. Then as a final option, add your fresh cut asparagus. And there you have it. Roast chicken, bee red potatoes, cut fresh asparagus. With just 5 easy steps, you have created a 5-star restaurant quality dish in your own home. Be sure to check out our other videos at atomicchefspices.com.